Hey guys, let's talk about global warming. We all know that there's a lot of factors that is causing global warming, but sometimes we tend to forget or don't know some of the most important facts about global warming. Did you know that plastic bag sometimes is actually so much more easier and eco-friendly to make rather than paper bag? Yeah, look up this website. Or for example, did you know that food waste is actually one of the main factors of global warming? So what exactly are food waste? Food waste is the food that you throw away, be it half of your meal, or expired milk, expired drinks, food, or whatever it is, and it will be sent to landfills. And in these landfills, they will break down and decompose into methane gases. These gases, greenhouse gases, could be up to 86 times more toxic than carbon dioxide gases. Let's get straight to the point. You see, last year my school authority decided to chop down most of the trees in my school, and me and my friends always thought it made our school look so much more down. So we decided to take this competition as an opportunity to improve the image of my school, make it so much more green, beautiful, and eco-friendly. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you Shove It In Pot. This pot allows you to plant trees vertically, be it fruits, vegetables, and even herbs. By planting these plants vertically, it allows you to save so much more space. And this extra space can let you plant more trees. It's a win-win situation, isn't it? So we thought, how do we make this product so much more eco-friendly, so much more unique? We Google search, and like we told you just now, food waste is one of the major contributors to global warming. So we decided to put a compartment in the middle of the pot where you could put food waste in it. And inside the compartment, there will be earthworms. And the job of these earthworms is to break down, to decompose these food waste into nutrients where the root plants will absorb. Very unique, isn't it? And we thought again, how do we make this product so much more better? Voila! We decided to make a system where it will water the pot automatically. Using the science of capillary action, the string over here will transport the water from the bottle into the pot, hence watering the pot automatically. Even when you're busy, go on a holiday, you don't have to worry. Your pot is safe. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Shove It In Pot. Thank you very much.